I'm the Vice President of the Office of Global Citizenship for Campus, Community, and Careers at the American Association of Colleges and Universities, or AAC&U.
Right, wonderful. Thanks for being with us to introduce this course. So we have a recent publication project on MUR-GC, Mentoring Undergraduate Research in Global Contexts. And I would just love for you to share what the genesis of that publication project was.
Thank you. So the genesis actually started back in 2017 when I happened to be at an Elon University Center for Engaged Learning Symposium, and I was sharing some information on global learning, and Maureen Vandermoss Peeler was sharing information on a program that she does every year on undergraduate research in Hawaii. And afterwards, we had a conversation about the integration of global learning and mentored undergraduate research. And we said, oh, we should really talk about this more. We should do something together. So some time passed, and Maureen reached out and said, hey, I wondered if you had thought about this anymore or done anything. And so we decided to have our first think tank around mentored undergraduate research in global contexts at the AAC&U conference on global learning in San Antonio, Texas in 2019. We had a group of maybe about 15 or so folks come in to talk about it. We'd had plans to also have the next convening at the Forum on Education Abroad in March 2020, but you know what happened then. And so then we pivoted to remote conversations and had a second virtual think tank. And with the guidance and with the partnership of our colleagues at the Forum on Education Abroad, they suggested a working group model. And so that's when we came together and we developed three unique working groups that were focused on different aspects of mentored undergraduate research in global context. One focused on intercultural knowledge, intercultural competence, how that relates to the work. A second focused on the research gaps that we saw. And then one that looked at full participation and how our students, faculty, staff participating in these practices. And the three working groups did amazing work individually. And we said, okay, now it's time for us to come together and do a publication so we can share the work that we have been doing for several years.
Yeah, it was such a fun project to be involved in. If you had to just put it in a nutshell, how would you describe the importance of MUR-GC? Why should educators learn more about this?
We've seen the research on the impact of high impact practices and how it impacts all students positively. And these are high impact practices, but we haven't really seen a lot of research being done on the integration of these practices. And that's the power of this work. And that's why I think it's important for people to explore and to look into it. We see this in the realm of global learning, international education, where we're seeing an integration of global learning with internships, with other projects. And I think this is a powerful place in practice where students from all majors, all disciplines can have this rich opportunity for engagement, and it will enhance their educational experience positively.
Wonderful. Thank you. Well, I hope folks enjoy this course. And don't forget to fill out the survey at the end so that you can get a badge on LinkedIn for it.